Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about quarantine room tour. Yeah, I'll be including everything you people asked for. Let's not waste the time and get into the video. So these are the two forms which you have to fill, and yeah, and this is the lobby of the hotel. So let's start with the corridor. Yes, I can't go outside. This is how. So let's start from the door. So when you enter, the left side of the door would be the washroom, and the right side you have a hangers to hang your clothes. And when you come forward, you have a study table. So I have already arranged it. So this is how it looks. And I kept few of my stuffs here which I can use it regularly. And they provided us with a kettle and a cup. They even have a locker and a fridge. I don't use locker because I don't have any stuff to keep, and I have some covers I kept on my fridge which could be useful. And inside the fridge I have few stuffs like ketchups and milk powder. Right opposite to the study table there is a mirror, and I'm super obsessed with this mirror, trust me. And just right beside you have two beds. So trust me, these beds are very comfortable, and the reason I'm having two beds because of the room I chose. So this room is called twin room, and no, we are not allowed to stay with our friends. So you can even book queen room which is of same size but with one bed. Unfortunately there wasn't any, so I took this. So we have TV, AC, and the side table which is just beside the bed. So on top most of the shelf I kept few stuffs which I use regularly, and in the second shelf I have some paper cups, paper plates, salt, snacks, and some bread. And in the last shelf I kept my bag, neck pillow, and my laundry bag for right now. Yeah, I'll be giving it for laundry when I go back to home. And I have a water bottle which is of 6 liter. This is a second bottle for now. And what I like the most is this mirror. This is huge mirror, so this room actually gets a look by these mirrors. And let's not forget about the light. So the room is bright enough. So yeah, this is the mirror 1 and mirror 2. Yes, this is how it looks. And yeah, my favorite part, let's not forget the window. I have to tell you, I'm lucky enough because sunrise is in this direction. So I keep the blinds open so that I can see the sunrise from my bed. And I can't open the window because I have this lock. Yeah. So this covers the room. It's spacious enough, but I wish there was a little more space here. So now let's look into the washroom. So when you enter the washroom, you have this mirror and also hand wash. You need to push it, then there'll be a soap. So over here I get few stuffs which I use every day, and I hang my towel, toilet, and right above it exhaust. And this is a shower. You get hot and cold both waters, and I keep my stuffs here. And don't worry if you don't have your stuffs, they provide us with this 3-in-1 which has shower gel, shampoo, and conditioner. You can use this as well, but I use mine. I'm more comfortable with that. So yeah, this is how the washroom looks. So you might ask me, what do I do for food? I get the food, I order it from outside mostly, and I ask them to get me a bread so that I can eat it when I'm not hungry or when I don't want to eat anything from outside. So they have this restaurant menu, uh, but most of them are costlier than outside food, and most of them has pork and beef in it, so which I don't eat. So I get it from outside, and sometimes I cook Maggie, or yeah, I'm just doing it for 10 days. I know nothing healthy is going well right now, but yeah, this is for just for some time being, that is for 10 days, I know. Hopefully everything went well, and I'll be going back to home tomorrow. So yeah, so I hope you guys liked it. If so, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. So I covered everything you guys asked for, the DMs I got in my Instagram, so I covered it here. So hope it's helpful for you and you liked it. See you in the next video.